How to send ton from bitget to tonkeeper wallet. Now first of all, open the bitget app. Make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on assets. And now tap on spot from the top bar and tap on withdraw. Now after that, if you don't find the ton here, just tap on search and type ton to be able to find your coin. Now tap on ton. Now after that, tap on chain withdraw. And now as you can see that the coin is ton and the network is ton. Now withdrawal address, we want to get it from the tonkeeper. Just I will after that open the tonkeeper app to be able to get the ton withdrawal address. Now after the ton the tonkeeper wallet app is open. Now tap on ton, and from here tap on just tap on receive and tap on this code bar to be able to copy the address. Now after that, go back to bitget like this, and now into withdrawal address box, just paste the withdrawal address from tonkeeper. And now in the memo you don't need it, and the withdrawal amount, type how much you want to send. And now as you can see, this is the fee you will pay and this is how much you will receive. Now after you are ready to go, tap on withdraw and confirm the transaction, and you will be able to send ton from bitget to tonkeeper wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.